Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So we will go into the Snapchat mobile application here and just go on the chat section, and here you have to go to your profile, right? And below down you can see here that my profile is my public profile. So if this option doesn't show in your profile, I will let you know and I will show you that how you can turn it on. So on the top right side corner there is you can see a setting icon. Just click on that, and after that we have to go to the privacy control, and here just we have to select view my stories. You have to select everyone, right? And after that we will go back and send me notification. Just click on the everyone and see my location. You have to just turn off the ghost mode, and I have selected my friends, so that's fine if you have selected the my friends, but you have to turn off the ghost mode, right? After that guys, you have to go to see me in quick add and you have to turn it on, right? So after that we will go back and we will go to our profile, and you have to just refresh it. And after a few seconds after refreshing, you can see that my public profile is there, and just click on that and you can do whatever you wanted to do, right? So this is very easy guys to turn a profile picture to turn a public profile on Snapchat. So I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.